Toy Show. Action Insider figure review. Today I'm going to be showing you my John Cena. He's a basic, by the way. He has those famous blue shorts, or jorts, whatever you want to call them. He has a black belt, and I really like this figure, by the way. It's better than the basic, every other John Cena. It has better shoes, better articulation in the legs, and I really like this figure. Green attire, as you can see, and this is his face. He has a really proud face. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll get to you.